No, not yet.
The ducks are getting some fish and pulling on my sticks. It's pulling on my fishing pole. It's getting one. Look at those ducks. It's getting one. Look, I'm only catching that duck.
Hold on, reel it in now. You got too much string. See when your cork's not standing up? Oh, oh.
I think I got it.
Look at your cork. Reel it up a little bit. 2 turns. Reel 2 turns. Whoa, now leave it. Whoa, whoa.
That's the one. It makes those
Yeah, here it
ducks
goes.
get out.
Watching your ball?
Yeah.
What's your cork? Hold on, bro. She's going to try to eat our worm tonight. Brayden, watch. When that ball goes under, you yank up. Yank up, Brayden. Yank up, Brayden. Remember what they said? When that ball goes under, we got to yank up, okay?
Yeah.
When it goes under, you yank back. It's like a tug of war.
Yeah.
You play tug of war. Oh!
I got it. Oh, I think I got it.
Yank up. Reel it.